Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now, day 4 yesterday, because yesterday I was a bit not good, so I couldn't really record this, but I think it was yesterday? Was it yesterday? Was today? Anyway, the other afternoon I got this parcel, and I didn't think I knew where it was from. I said to Jeremy, I don't think I bought anything, and inside this parcel there is, hang on a second, I'll just get this thing here, because I couldn't help having to look at it. I just had to look at it anyway. And on here it says, random act of kindness. So I don't know who you are. And I really think that was very, very kind of you to send me this. I am so lucky that I have got these wonderful people in my life. Random act of kindness. I wish I knew who you were. I want to thank you so very much for sending me this. Now, in here I have the most beautiful cards. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? It's a birthday card, and it's got really nice. That's a really good idea for me in itself, isn't it? I can use that idea. I wouldn't be able to give these to anybody I like them. I really do love them. I do. That is so beautiful, isn't it? Nice. Look at that. And I hope you can see it's not too glary, because they're I don't want to break it or anything. Look, isn't that nice? Look, isn't that pretty? Wow. Now there's a good idea. I could probably try and have a go at that. Probably make a few messes. Aren't that nice? Now, you sent me these beautiful cards, whoever you are, and I really appreciate it. It is so kind of you. I said to my husband, I said, I know I didn't buy anything. I said, I wonder what it is. And I just had to have a look. And that's what it said on it. Was for me, and here's another one. This has got butterflies in it. Isn't this beautiful? Absolutely amazing. I really love that. Isn't it nice? It's got all them flowers. The way that I like to use them too. They're cut out and going over the edge and a fussy cut. You know? And here's another one. Is this one the same or different? No, this one's different too. Look at this. This one's got butterflies too on it and flowers. Isn't it lovely? Thank you so much. And then, oh, hang on there. There's another one. Oh, here's another one. Look. Oh, wow. Isn't this nice? A bird? Oh, dear. It's so beautiful. Thank you so much, whoever you are. Please, thank you. I wish you would tell me who you were. And look at this. Oh, wow. And I thought to myself, Sonia, I remember you said, and I did, something about not having been able to buy these. Every time I went to get them, there wasn't any there. Now, if this nice person's been watching me, obviously they have, they would have heard me say that, but that's not what I wanted. I didn't want to say that, so I've got all these word things. Look at these. They're really good word things. I haven't actually looked at these. I didn't take them out. Look at them all. And it says there's 295 word things in here, like stickers. Aren't they beaut? I think that's a full page yet. Look, see? Because I was cutting them out of books and things, because every time I went to buy any, there was never any there. And I did mention that, but I said that because that's why I was telling you that I was cutting them out, because that's why I said it, because I couldn't find any. So I have some I've cut out, but mine aren't the same as these nice ones. Mine are just little, little bits that I've cut out that I've found in books and things like that. But these are real. Look, these are real. Thank you very much for these. I really appreciate that. But you know what? I don't know how many times I went on that site that's here, the, what's it called? It's Craft Online, and they never had any. And I'm thinking, well, that's nice. Every time you'd go and buy it and then put in your cart, and they'd say, oh, it's out of stock or something. So I was very disappointed with that, but I got some. Thank you very much, whoever you are. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. I have a secret admirer, I must do, because I got the flowers and then I got these, and I'm wondering if it's the same person or somebody else. I don't know. I don't know who did this. Thank you very much. I really love these things. Thank you. thank you. And everybody who watches me, thank you so much too for all of your support and your kind wishes and that all the time. And when you say them nice things to me about how you love me work, I'm very pleased. I'm very pleased, and I really appreciate you. So thank you everybody for watching. Piled all that stuff up there, and I hope you all have a lovely day, weekend, and everything. And I'll probably be back Sunday, I hope, to do a bit more. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.